हाय वेलकम टू कॉलेज वेज। आज हम बात करेंगे सीयूईटी और उससे रिलेटेड टॉप कॉलेजेस के बारे में। तो सीयूईटी इज बेसिकली कॉमन यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्रेंस टेस्ट, जिसके बेसिस पे इंडिया के बहुत सेंट्रल लेवल और स्टेट लेवल कॉलेजेस यानी कि नेशनल लेवल कॉलेजेस में आप एडमिशन ले सकते हैं। सो सीयूईटी इज बेसिकली इंडियाज टॉप एंट्रेंस टेस्ट विच इंक्लूड्स योर ड्रीम कॉलेजेस, सेफ कॉलेजेस एंड बैकअप कॉलेजेस। फर्स्ट इंक्लूड्स यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली, जिसको सीयूईटी के थ्रू एक बहुत पॉपुलर कॉलेज है विच इज दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी। इसका टॉप कॉलेजेस में इसमें आते हैं नॉर्थ कैंपस एंड साउथ कैंपस विच इज SRCC, हिंदू एंड हंसराज कॉलेज। Approximately fees it's 10K to 30K per year and placement is 5 to 15 LPA as average. Best courses for this colleges is BCom honors, BA honors and BSc. Its ROI is extremely high and reality is competition बहुत है, so we have to score high to get the admission in Delhi University. Banaras Hindu University is the second one, which is the top CUET entrance university. It includes its fees is 5K to 20K per year and its placement goes to 4 to 10 LPA. Best for arts, science and commerce and ROI is excellent. It is underrated but it's best for the students. We have Jawaharlal Nehru University, which is JNU. JNU is main focus for humanities and language based courses. Fees extremely low, which is 1 to 5K per year and placement depends on course. So it depends totally on courses, but the fees is very low. Best for BA honors, language courses and international studies. ROI is high for specific careers and important ये सबके लिए है that it specifically depends on career goals and high expectations in CUET as well. The fourth one is Jamia Millia Islamia, which is JMI. JMI में एक बहुत important and बहुत scope है JMI का and based on CUET totally. It fees and cost 10 to 50K per year and the placement ratio is for 5 to 12 LPA. The best courses for it is BTech, Mass Communications and Commerce and the ROI is as good and better as well. Infrastructure and reputation is strong, so there is no problem to go with it. Aligarh Muslim University, which is AMU. AMU एक बहुत affordable और reputed university है. It costs for 8K to 40K per year and placement ratio is for 4 to 8 LPA. Best for engineering, commerce and arts and ROI is good as well. Mistakes to avoid to get better colleges, which is सिर्फ एक university को target करना, course ignore करना, placement data check ना करना और backup plan ना बनाना. Smart students ये नहीं करते हैं. You have to avoid the mistakes to get a better college. अगर आपको free counseling चाहिए और आप अपनी CUET की rank के according best university shortlist कर रहे हैं, तो आप personal guidance ले सकते हैं, which is आप हमारे description में जाके form को fill कर सकते हैं और आप हमारी website को भी visit कर सकते हैं. That is free of cost.